lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak, I'm at peak to bring me some extra ears. Feel it in my soul, in my sleep, I breathe till the winds get sealed. Don't go while the rest sit still. Beast mode on a run all year. Work till the funds all here, can't stop till the path all clear. Slim run a sweatshop and a pet shop, cause the dogs all here. Even in the dark, I appear, shine through the fall for a lift. This a headlight to a deal, they freeze, none of y'all out here. Years I've been dedicated, no stairs, I done elevated. 2-4 with the hesitation, they faked, I went up and made it. Cody, this gon' make a statement on him and ain't no debating. I see no signs of defeat while I'm on this road to greatness. Many that tried, I'm unshakable, they can't break me down. Still on location, no waiting, ain't gotta chase me down. When in the head, ain't no safety, cause I can't play around. That's how I get, I was built for this shit, all ready for war. Play for the keep, I ain't got a goal, I ain't finna reach everything, golf range to the tee. I done work hard, now for the free 10 cent the squad, now I gotta eat, beat like a doze. I ain't got a key, still dropping flows like I got a hole in the ceiling, stepping on them every week in the middle of January, bringing heat. Nah, I ain't finna sleep, and I had hard for I had a beat. Odds had to stay steep, turned to a goat from a black sheep. Writing notes in the back seat, burn holes in the black tee. Now I'm breaking molds with a big bowl, winning pat homes with the canned cheese, but they never can pass me. I'm the